Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I want to show you a haul of my latest goodies from Beauty Big Bang that they sent me to play with and review. We have brand new Christmas stamping plates and some water decals. And yeah, a couple of you noticed I was kind of messing around with the YouTube live streaming, trying to see how that will go. It is super easy to do it with your phone, but I'm trying to set it up with my actual camera so that I will have the same view that you're looking at right now, and it will be better. So but it comes to find out I downloaded a software on my laptop, but now I need a proper HDMI cable to get that set up. So yeah, keep a lookout for that in the future. So here are the stamping plates. Check them out, guys. So cool. Yes, already out of their beautiful sleeve cardboard packaging that they come in. I did a quick live on my Instagram account while having my coffee this morning. But so let me go ahead, and so you can see, so they still have their blue film. I'm not going to swatch these today, so I just mainly want to show you the images and see what they look like, and I'll be doing swatches on these later on after November 1st. So hopefully that blue film is good enough to, you can still see the images but not be blinded by the light. This one is XL030, so number 30. I only have 4 out of the 5 rectangular ones here. So this one is 30. I am missing 31. Then this one is 32. Super cute images, so pretty. Let's go to the next one. This one's 33. Check them out. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then number 34. I just want no one. So number 34. I love this house. Like a big gingerbread house there. I so wish I could fit that whole thing on my nails. Look how beautiful. And then we also have these little ones, the round ones. This is a set of 5. So it goes from 6 through 10. Here's the first one right here. Very cute. And then the next one, 007. There it is. And then this one is 008, upside down. There it is. And I mentioned on my Instagram, guys, for some reason, give me a thumbs up if you think this little guy here reminds you of Mark Estrada. Look at him. Cute little image right there. And then 009. This one right here. Hope you can see okay. And then the last one, number 010. Okay, so those are the stamping plates. Here's what the back looks like with the sticker, and the rectangular ones have the backing, the protective backing. And also I have these water decals. Oh my gosh, so this is a set of, and each one of these, so yeah, Beauty Big Bang, they sell the rectangular plates as a set, or you can purchase them individually, as well as the round ones. You can buy them individually or as a set. And so this is a set of 5 water decals. So here they are. And you can see the color scheme. Beautiful, beautiful. And I do have, my code is NAQ57. It'll save you 10% across Beauty Big Bang website on regular priced items. I will have down below. And I will have the links to these items down in the description bar below. But like I said, I will definitely be doing some swatches and designs with these for inspiration. Get you guys inspired for, I know, yeah, believe it or not, Christmas hits around the corner. And I will say, give yourself a good 4 to 6 weeks to receive these, depending on where you are, okay? Because remember, they're coming from China. So that is all I have for you guys. If you have any questions about these items, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.